Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Kafe R6 for defense. A strong defense requires careful planning and execution, focusing on key areas. We will cover essential reinforcements, gadget placements, and strategic positions to help your team secure victory. Remember, teamwork and communication are vital for success on this map. For the kitchen and service site, begin by reinforcing the 2 freezer walls and the hatch above in fireplace hall. Create a rotation hole between kitchen and service for quick movement. Place a deployable shield at the kitchen door to provide cover. Utilize wall denial gadgets like Bandit or Kide on critical reinforced walls to prevent breaches. When defending reading and fireplace, reinforce the 2 walls connecting to the balcony. Open a rotation hole into the cocktail lounge for quick access. Create feet holes in fireplace and reading walls to gain advantageous one-way angles. Deploy projectile denial gadgets, such as Yeager's ADS or Whammi's magnets, to protect against grenades and other projectiles. To master Kafe defense, always maintain map control by denying key entry points. Constant communication about enemy positions and gadget usage is crucial. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on the attacking team's approach and operator lineup. Consistent practice of these setups will significantly improve your team's synergy and overall execution, leading to more wins.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.